In January 2024, Transport Infrastructure Ireland appointed Colas to supply and construct 6 new Cantilever sign gantries along the M4 and M6 motorways. These gantries, strategically placed at key junctions, are designed to enhance directional information and reduce the risk of motorists missing their exits. Before commencing construction, Colas conducted thorough preparatory work, including ground investigations, topographic surveys, and existing service assessments. The gantry-based construction followed a precise sequence, prioritizing safety and efficiency. After establishing traffic management and temporary vehicle restraint systems, the team carefully excavated the site, confirming the absence of underground services. The foundation was then prepared, with layers of compacted fill material and blinding concrete, followed by the construction of a reinforced concrete pad and plinth. With the base complete, attention turned to the gantry installation. The concrete plinth was meticulously prepared, with bolt sleeves cleaned to ensure proper grout distribution. A level survey and steel shim installation guaranteed precise positioning. Under carefully managed traffic conditions, the components were delivered and installed following a systematic approach. 1. The gantry leg was positioned and secured. 2nd, anti-corrosion measures were applied to all fixings. 3. High-flow, non-shrink grout filled any voids under the base plate. 4. The cantilever arm was attached and secured. 5. Secondary steelwork was fixed to support the ADS. Finally, the ADS was mounted on signage support brackets. This efficient process allowed for the complete installation of each gantry superstructure and sign in a single night, minimizing disruption to motorists. Once installation was complete, the area was thoroughly cleaned, and traffic management measures were removed, restoring normal traffic flow. These new sign gantries represent Colas's commitment to enhancing road safety and improving the driving experience on Ireland's motorways.